Greetings to all of our cherished and valued viewers. On this particular day, in our hometown where our esteemed company is situated, we have paid a visit to the state enterprises Zhmerinka and Lesgos. Present here is our wood splitter, which is approximately 5 years old. It plays a crucial and significant role in their operations and functions continuously throughout the entire year in timber harvesting. It is, you could say, our highly esteemed and respected veteran. Our experienced veteran worker is this log splitter, which operates continuously throughout the entire year without stopping, consistently processing a variety of wood types, including knotty wood and other knotty pieces. They also handle stumps. For larger diameters, they initially cut them with a chainsaw, and then the wood proceeds to our log splitter. After that, it is split into firewood. Over these 5 years, they have been under our diligent maintenance. We have replaced specific components for them. It has undergone welding, this log splitter, yet it continues to function and execute its duties exceptionally well. In summary, they have replaced the gear on several occasions and the guide rails, along with the impact carriage guides, a few times as well. Aside from that, everything is splendid. Thank you very much for your attention. Stay tuned for our updates, and all the best to you.